of class 7th. We are on the chapter acid, bases and salts. We have done the topics what are acids, what are bases, what are neutral substances. Even we have done indicators also. We have studied two types of indicators, organic indicators and human made indicators. We have done with activity also. Now we are on the topic acid properties. What are the acidic properties? That means that is common for all the acids. First of all, we'll go with the first property. Acids are sour in taste. That means we are talking about mineral acids. We are not taste them. So we are talking about organic acids like lemon. Lemon are the organic acids. We are talking about they are sour in taste. Okay. Second point is acids are corrosive in nature. That means as they are corrosive in nature, they can destroy the layer of metals. That means if they destroy the layer of metals, it will corrode. Corrode means the layer will be burned off. That's why all the metals are kept in the glass containers. You can see in the laboratories HCl, HNO3, nitric acid, all these are kept in the glass containers because they react with the metals. That's why to remain them safe, we kept in glass containers. Third property, blue litmus red. That we have done in indicator topic, that acids turns blue litmus red. When we are using this litmus paper, we are using this litmus paper, blue litmus paper or blue litmus solution, it changes to red if any acid substance or a drop of acid was kept in it. Next property what we can take is acids conduct electricity. That means they allow the acids allow the electricity to pass through them. Yes, the electricity will, because HCl has hydrogen ions. If ions are present in it, the electricity will pass through it. That's why we say all the acids conduct electricity.
Yes.
Most of acids react with metals to form hydrogen gas. Fifth point we will consider this कि all the acids, तकरीबन सभी acids, when they react with the metals, they will form hydrogen gas. Like magnesium plus 2HCl give out magnesium chloride plus hydrogen. That means magnesium, Mg is the symbol of magnesium beta, HCl is the symbol of hydrogen chloride and MgCl2 is the symbol of magnesium chloride, and H2 is the hydrogen gas that is evolved. Next sixth point is most of acid react with metal carbonates. तकरीबन mostly acids they हैं वो metal carbonates के साथ react करते हैं and they form salt on it, such as sodium carbonate Na2CO3 plus H2SO4 sulfuric acid give out sodium sulfate plus CO2 plus H2. This is the reaction when the metals react with metal carbonates. After that, seventh point is acids are soluble in water. Just you can take the example of HCl beta, you can take the example of H2SO4 or you can take the example of any organic acid. Just like lemon, oranges, they all can dissolve in water very easily. Next topic we are going to take bases. Property of bases we are going to do. Bases properties. First property is base are bitter in taste. As we have done many examples of bases are bitter in taste. Next is property is bases are slippery in touch. You can take the example of baking soda, washing soda also you can take it. Next property, we can say that bases turn red litmus to blue. Third property, bases turn red litmus to blue. You can take the litmus solution, you can take the litmus paper, it will changes to blue. Next property comes that bases are also corrosive in nature. Bases are corrosive in nature. That means even they corrode the paper, they can corrode the metals also. So they are corrosive in nature. Now fifth property we are going to do, bases conduct electricity. Means bases are good conductor of electricity. Fifth point, bases conduct electricity. That means in bases electricity passes through. As such, if you can take the example of NaOH, OH minus ions will release on. If OH ions are present, definitely electricity can pass through it. Okay, next point we are taking as bases are dissolved in salt. All the bases dissolve in water vapor. Such as NaOH, you can take the example, means NaOH, you can say, or all bases dissolve in water. Bases dissolved in water are called alkalis. One thing is clear, all alkalis are bases. Yes, the salts, the bases which dissolves in water are alkalis, but all the bases are not alkalis. All the alkalis are bases. That means they dissolve in water, that's why they are called alkalis. Okay, this is the properties we have done. Yes beta, one common property is also there in acid and base. I'll make you clear. That when acid react or add with bases, it gives salt. That means if you add base with acid, then again it gives salt. And if you add acid with base, then again it gives salt. In both the cases, we get salt. Now we have done with the properties of acid and bases. You can make in the form of differentiate between also. I'll make you clear in the Zoom class again. I will revise this. You read this, try to learn this. Whatever query you find out, we can solve it in our Zoom classes. Thank you. Have a nice day.